County ya Meru niyo mwambĩrĩrio na mũthia yo siasa. Itũmi nĩ kuma mwaka-inĩ yo 2022 Meru ĩtũra siasa na mwaka mũthiru MCA bambunge Meru barĩkia kũinga gavana Meru Kabira Mwangaza achokwo nĩ koti. Arochokwo nĩ koti nethirĩte nende ayeko mwanka tariki 14 mweri wa 3 mwaka yo. Neretie kwambia MCA bambunge ya Meru na mwanka thai ari na MCA 27 na bo 47 buwete batekarande ikarokimwe nawe. Rero kirorwari Kabira Mwangaza na ukarie tentere cia Embe South nara mabisa babethire bakingatwa ni akadibaraba kwa na muthuro na kuwa batekwenda Kabira ntere uno nto utiwiti na mbere bona ndene ya rutere rukuma kirithiri karewe rukururo siasa Meru rwa kinyamuthiari Meru ri ikona witi na mbere ri na kinyangwate nayo yongwe koneka eitareko tukuborwa ri baraba ngwate kwariria mantu ya for the first time kiri mwaka yo 2025 Ndina munino speaker mbunge ya county ya Meru Mheshimiwa Mwendali na ni MCA Wanjia. Ndina MCA wa municipality Mheshimiwa Kale Mutethia, former chair of finance na urakaiteneka numo wa MCA 27 barabara dutere rwa Kabira Mwangaza. Arani na batukulukura 40188 namba yetu SMS through live kuri Facebook through live kuri YouTube kedra kidogo mantu medichia kura tuwetera mbere na mpango. Karibuni sana.
Thank you.
All right.
Nui
We're serious sana. Anyway, yote tisa ya 10
kitupo.
Former chair of finance. Very true.
Okay.
Come on.
A lot of emphasis on the chair.
No, the chair of finance, right?
Okay.
Kwa kampungurutano la uo kiritete nekeu. Now, ama bre na senior deputy speaker ni MCA Wanjia. Now, Mheshimiwa Kato ambiri na mantra ya bwide kiraru arentere chiembe. Kabira Mwangaza na aliungite ntere chia bore eta ntere chiembe north tuarena ukari south. Na south irawe tete ya keremere witika no tuma bisaba betre na obeta bengwa njukwera bokari bewika yonde thankalanwa. Ni karikanwa no na urengi ngombe yikitwe irathenjwa. Now imbibi interest chia Kabira ntere chiembe na gira waeta nao. Twambiriria.
Thank you bwana MTEMBEI. Be kanke mutegeri wende wa Weru TV ndimure karibu sana ki garu ya siasa na muno mtonjia na mto Meru. Meru turi wau. Gatumira mambo ira sine kiraito atumire that Jason ariokire ati ya Meru mutharabene na niyo turi. Rware Kabira na okari ete Embe South. Lakini atetire. Katiba yetu niyo uteko ntu kingi ki maana o katiba. Kenya is a democratic society. Na freedom ya ku-exercise power shondeira mtu akaibwe na right ya ku-exercise ili enshrined ki katiba tu. So buka rikireru are ipati ya political discourse era mwiru wende kana mtu wende na right ya ku-express. Kapik case ya Kiegoi ward na kwa Mheshimiwa Kabako inoko ukari na serious antagonism. Ngama na Kawira for the last 2.5 years utake into aende Kiegoi and to Bosho ward. It is sad. So kinyawe ita kiekuo ikueta kumoka into Kiegoi and to Bosho ward. So mukario Kiegoi and to Bosho ward netherio into ba maana munoruari na tubere eko. No ntuke ndora mtu utake into aburetera mwaka 2022 2023 2024 oteya kumoka nto ibera imbasari uba. That is wrong. Na kinyakungi embere onde buku kari na kinyatu mwete ya Embe Central kinyanjia kinyatu twamuri shuri ya kinyaku na tutokera kuwa buriku bu kinyero burare therie aretera target ikundi binge bitire mana there is ikundi bibete wabero international of which nyantu begembe north nyabo bakibati rio kinya stage bashele waibao nontu antu baraba kubwidi kundi biraba retere bendi antu oteki ntukira akina mama buba atethukire kitu waka itu bakaya wangiria na yana ikundi lakini surprise ira bararingirwe niyo ingiri 20 barayero na baye wasufuria sijui vikombe vijiko so oteki ntukia maana araendetie Egembe North kwena challenge eroi monkarwari Egembe North sibitari era retete mutwati Monkaru are it's a level 4 hospital. Sibitari ire nyo eto oteona daktari otoana. Oteona daktari omayo. Otiringo x-ray ku. Itena anything.
So mheshimiwa ndakuwa barabara arekia nini ete antu ba Embe
ibe Embe North lakini bare ni akina mama bati mana ikundi bio on Wednesdays. And that's what on rara rokete inda 8 am. Ukithona rare serious na itaga bwithe mushemanio ina town. Arethire akina mama barabatire manana ikundi bira no rona bonde barare uniform. So mushemanio arainja kira yo ikundi. Na ate sincere no ntote kintu araenderia Embe North. Mutuati level 4 hospital. Tombelweli ore kari Monkaru are. Maternity yo new function. Theater new function. Kwena x-ray department. So kinya eta akati magic yakwa yana sufuria. Kwena kirantu bakwenda. Kawira ayi mutuati yesterday Amwadhi ward okuwa rarumanga MC Amwadhi ward. Kwe mtororo wa Wanjou the neighboring village. Atende nyo comment on tobriku. Kawira the same Kawira no ritera antu ba NPR. Mwankene ywa Embe North na Isiolo na antu bakora wagai maita. So iweta kuenjoy antu. Na antu kwera antu beto nyawiba ume. Ukethoti kwenda antu na naruma antu. Anyway, Kawira naruma antu.
Arabura kwanza babu wa Mongas. For 7 of you.
In fact, Kawira nwe wo moga era the most serious. In fact, no mwana warlord. The likes of akina Kone. Barabara ya ibete nara. Ndo ndere mromoge yo arashia. Bibi ya kuma ke poison. Odero arashia kintu kina maana. Weta kwera antu kabati na behavior yake imutondo tu. Korea wete ara base yu nini ngavana ni mama no atora kotika ni ngavana ni.
Tumba kuwa ngavana ni mtondo.
So replica. Me tabia yake ishijo mwedi mtondo tu. No nto the moment ukaria winirete antu mantu atena maana kabati kaende. Ne the other counties. What other governors are doing?
Oda au mheshimiwa tuchoka kiriwe. Mheshimiwa Caleb no reo mwa wa ikundi kira kiengite governor twice. The other two no rere kuringa kura we umara weta da thayu uri among the 22. Now 47 bariwa utengwe kuruteka Meru lakini uwe bwena reason cia kumibira cia tumira weta kiri the other side. You are chair of finance before ukero saindie wengwe tineke. So imbibi atumira wa uringa yuta.
Mbele matuamirie mbele mheshimiwa Mwendali na the show na tegeri betu. It's an important discussion to know. Amono mbere antu ba municipality baga antu ba support ira benedete gumpa, especially the area to these challenges cia leadership ira tu nacho. Mbuge mbere twari yoro rwa nikindetire kinga bana kambi. Let me first condemn what has happened in Embe South, because also I feel that I'm part and parcel of what is happening in Meru. Na that twin there itobati kudwa antu be bakweja na room mtu onde athikirwa. Ndego mheshimiwa ali auga mtu onde na constitutional rights. Lakini andika ya mheshimiwa utoe na constitutional rights infringe on other people's rights. Nonto nitokia mbele what happened today tilate ya Kawira infringed on. Ilate ya Mukari wa Embe South infringed on. And then a reason you can go. One, Mukari wa Embe South no wetete prime bursary. In fact, it is not Kawira Mongaza who are applying those bursaries for them. Mukari wa Embe South through the need ya kwenda mwana wa thoma no eterea ujuriria form aikagwachibo ki obisi ya thirikari. And that we to particular the role iratu to a representative band, because we pray the laws. It will pray law oversight, it will pray law administration and representation. The iratu kwa representation to represent mwekuru ka mukuru kama no utina muchiari ukwenda fee ka through bursary akwenda tumunenkera njireria ageta athomi. So nabo ora kukarire Embe South na antubari beigwe it was not the right thing kuthithia ikumara bakarega kwe wa bursary na ana bamwe bao injabari ankwire tembe.
But let me ask you, no anko uri mheshimiwa kire uko bursary. Is it a must governor awatane na ngari tse musafara ngari the 50 kana 60 weekend bursary iko kire won't that mean kana maybe other means of so offices yeta kire antobara yeah so
too longs don't make it right.
Okay.
No kuja kwithirwa ngavana gwite Embe South ni ukari makosa. But antu be Embe South na batu thia makosa jangi ja kuga tuti kwenda. Nuntu urenda kwirana ni onkwenda ochoka kairi na kwambitikiria OTMCA me included mwana okwa nkuromba mbasari hata mheshimiwa Ali can attest to that to honorable members na Mungu nato thali mite araturi at least tukumborira na beto fi but kwina mtuwe nturere ya Igembe South ukwenda mwana we athoma na kwi antu bamwe MTEMBEI na nkwira no ntwa that nini beterete mbasari araga ngiri jire tam na tena ngiri wijire enterete mbasari re ngiri thano kendombi kurea for mwana wa thoma so it doesn't matter na ndogo adama kosi ja dithikire 2022 2023 na 2020 anga 20 it is not the right in MCA kuthithia no makosa jange ka uni ka mtunge and prive the right mtoro kuona uteli bro ambassador na arua no tunarati maendeleo going forward I'll give my
players
the reason why I moved and I refused to vote impeachment impeachment I was the biggest critic of the Rikare Kawira Mwangaza and I've never unimtaumara kairimbuga maybe inta criticize for a reason I used to criticize for one reason na mheshimiwa Ali speaker kwa knows it. He's my brother. He knows it that there are things that we were fighting for. One, it was fight ira betiriko ja kiwand. Na me being the chair of finance, it was one of the biggest reasons why I was feeling that mheshimiwa Ali and I was fighting for him also. Kiwand yewenji ya wand. Adraiko kweli kuretwe development fulani na niremeri kuja. Why don't we structure a formula whereby everyone within Meru County is represented and every member akaigwa antuba webo kinyuri maendeleo jara kwa jara mukinira na tembe twathithia gintu tweta itemized budget na that twathithia itemized budget mwendali not represented at negotiations. In fact narwa buge TV ne nuntoyo that wari kamkunji oni ndaregere 101% ndaregete 36 million hondo gite turenda irreducible minimum of 45 million na rea my speaker tere band representi orawe mwendali na mwende idiri na bangi baba ado bai barato beta bete kaniria we go for that 6 million na base inanira I couldn't feel any other reason only when they debated impeachment because as much as I was concerned my interest bilanko daira bia want so I really felt that I need first to implement what I've gotten from the wand at that level, and then if at all there are other issues, then we can continue those issues.
Okay.
So only at a personal level, I'm saying that I felt that now that we've negotiated for something, let
me reply to Caleb. Okay. Na I don't know mtu ataki kampo kawira akiri akara beta baka program on how to think Mheshimiwa Caleb, every ward in Meru County uti mtu tiona ambassador whether no wonka kana to wonka tuku correct ya umbere so ntubake go yantu bosh ward whether ibetheri bobate kana batelerie ana bake go yantu bosh ward bakona ambassador auto correct kwa number 1 na number 2 wondi ekuwe Caleb na wondi cia ndo bara bonde bawonka utiro turona kawira endete mbasari ki babu right kwa nubu bukothano bukaendia wondi cietu no ndutu tikwenda kuthia tamanto yando ya kwendelea Meru ikuo kukuretwa ndwa staged so mukario kego ya nduboshi wond mwana ora apply embasari akona basari yake rightfully auto correct mbere roteo ashia number 2 basari isiongwa every ward program ira kawira abwithitie like imbete njia ward ana apply ana almost 5000 ana babetete kwa basari ni ana manatan ana 4500 utiki ntubetete kuona reason nonto dairy MCA entire consulted basari kyano kawira yere na ndubage mawonda dimin baya na basari so nyawa mburi oi basari in my ward ntua so ntubake guya ntuboshu baye kuiboni antu mana adano betete kwa basari out of ana baraba apply 3000 ibo kana right ya ku express frustration sure the same way. Na nyawo ndingi antu bendelee the same frustrations. Caleb has lied again in a live media. Rirako arena negotiations. Bwana Caleb, I was sick. I was not part and parcel. And to negotiate for that 6 million. Idile was not part of that team. Mdoro etre negotiate. I don't get it. Na ya MCs bank mdo Jacob Mwiri or chair. And that's why MCs ba muritirete. No nto etre ba ringa deals under the table. Right? Intention yetu ya wekera kintu kitwa program based budget ensure kwena equitability. Na wondi yetu ni kuona biashara maendeleo. Na tukembesi na bora control of budget wele 30-70 rule. Te sawa sawa. Haito kwaria. Na bwana Caleb, it's good we run municipality. Na we draw sincere kera ntuma municipality. Obere wadura bakona project ya 36 million. It is good we draw sincere. No ndo ba wibu udura mbindiane kuambia ngaishi aitro finance bill ya rejected. Now you are saying something different here. Muno tuiteke barabara. Like Wenji Award, they created barabara 14 is spread across the award. To my surprise, barabara ile shije toko bwedwa ni that and allocated 24 million.
So what was the purpose ya itemized budget?
Na programmed. Na hivi ndo mayora nyandu wa municipality. Iba question Caleb. Abere the truth. Whether that 6 million be yete kuona kana ikintu kingi. No ntu wondi ne shetu. Fact is this. Na baba kikawira dineo me abate kwenda kwa reality. No ntu ibonkere ndi ba program baid. Mbira yete wondi ne. That 6 niyo ere batu twegirite embia shetu. Lakini maanjabu. Ibito kwira Meru maanjabu. Bibi yete wondi ne shetu. Tetewe tikinya bya 36 million. Na uti supplementary budget irabu hivyo. Mtu urakolomere ambrio ukarabat budget ya kintu kyake kana ya sandake baite fellowship. So when the MC on the award utero kaibwa baneri ndo barabara 14 karetro barabara itatu na ile yo target barabara ira cia bwithi manjabu barabara ira kabwithi kwira kubwithi na contractors bake bamwe baba Caleb na bangi ibarabara ira ibwithi kidogo that's why turawire we are silent na tukiriki twetera cia kubwithi tona ndoi dina biranda wirite na kintu kirantu banjia dogo with the public participation barabara ira bawire ichika bwithwa ichika bwithwa tira kawira kwenda atia akwenda.
Fair enough.
Twetheke bia CKRB bwana Caleb wantu bani buba kwa 7 million is out. So the moment to lie kira antu ba kuba municipality oje kwenda obera the truth bonya biorende tikundi like 18 million and you are here lying to them.
You know,
then you have a problem.
No, Mheshimiwa Caleb ngome anuko ndo chokia. I have no problem in that. But tukwira kawira na timu webe tini committee ya question kiri Senate paruro kithia budget ne kulukirwe na parasaina na regro krone control of budget bawure ini reo lakini be kuru kithia ne bautumira bawure tio bautumira kaguna budget ile Meru.
Should I reply?
Yes.
Bele ancho kerio it would belong onimira TV neje pambio kuga mheshimiwa ni mtona respect it a lot na program tumadoganira tugitangoge imtoto dogania
at least uri hao wambo chokia yeah
wait to give me a chance to reply no to go to politician or moderator so don't
ipo ntunda kuna mheshimiwa you are here you wachokia
don't act like a politician edo are very moderator na auto chance yako
continue mheshimiwa.
So what I'm trying to say, I respect mheshimiwa Mwendali mono and with all due respect ndingiza GTV mpambio mwera o no tintirwa madhugane o no thithirwe because it is not right also to do that, but it is very late kuira mtu ule ondikirite ume special municipality nondo nti mheshimiwa njia want only mheshimiwa municipality want and it is also very important that ukwero lost yeto only trompombe kwa area more than municipality want nonto my biggest interest ni anto baraba mpete that duty or represent at that level. Mbere ma mbechera twakurukirie urando uga cyari 36 million 3 million embassy cyatigara 33 million lakini kuwa mheshimiwa okouga speaker okouga kwembecha chitiro cha KLB chitwa chimbe chingana 7 million na thatu indi twije uma kimbechera twakurukitie na Mwendali na aru yatinga na ndi Edro ngo no tiurikana india murikanie budget ira twathithirie budget yetu igwatene na proposed budget ya ire nenkanire tu national government included mwanka metira tia finance bill ire gitoro so umane ati kwimbecha tia gitoro nkaije ucia KLB na in everyone I think we have 23 million ire tikira to gwitera ngugi kyanto municipality kwa ndo municipality na arua batindwa berigirite 18 million ira mwendari uga pakethwa beterete 23 million but at the same time tembe I've not been able to actualize the entire 33 million no tutati into kwa mwendari uga supplementary
Mheshimiwa Beta Temero katianire kana achiongelegera na 49 million
atianire
wrong
atianire
really
yes atianire
I think okay
si tunaendelea
endelea okay
alafu naenda kenda na chance ya kuuga
okay
so urankwenda kuuga bojairi that way as an assembly tukurukia mbeci yatu akurukirie dai tukudithia omburi athi tuguitangugi municipality na mbeci yatu akurukitie chietu chia want and I want to say that I'm not a contractor kuna contractors barabeo and I can tell without any of doubt that within municipality project chao ichigutangugi chione urato akurukitie
fair enough Mheshimiwa link kwenda tueta break but in 1 minute Beta Temero achianire kationgera
correct Caleb nazo tukua Caleb na batiri kuivasi na manto ama njimu number 1 biasha KRB ni rashe fuel levy
yes
right a case in court ne ngutikika determined this month na biushi ashoka inya na batiri kwa rina ntu bake ba executive no ntu no wonka atwira amantu yari kuti ba tumenya amantu twikurea twite kintu kitwa
so na that you continue mwe can you implement something that is in the
money is there
but it can't be implemented
money is there relax
it is there but it can't
twite kintu kitwa CRA
yes
right yes. Na finance bill nani otukwenda kurita antu bau bakawira makosa kuria bakaeti ya Meru that what happened ke finance bill ne ko affect counties biashe counties remained as they were in fact to an extra allocation kuma ke CRA sawa sawa kimbira shetu kintu kingi tubatiri kulwelia batwe twe county ya Meru revenue yetu uratomba own source revenue Meru in a potential like we were in Murang'a County just the other day from 600 to 1.3 billion so Meru in authority so uteo finance bill it will affect allocation of counties on the contrary through CRA tuongelero mbingi so Caleb ibeta ina araba kaura shi fact
you know the person who doesn't understand ule otuiraja imwendali because one we understand that Meru County in a potential nene wakuga more than even Murang'a County but it is you mheshimiwa ura umarite TV ne werege mbero thirikarinya tax it is very important for you to be also clear kana umare uga barinya tax inaokwirigira thirikari
batibare abo shimo batibare abo shimo
batiriaga
you should not lie you should not lie ibare ya no mheshimiwa no
you see I'm just
mheshimiwa ndetegerie no mheshimiwa no mheshimiwa not lie my show ando batekure yote ni bagere yote no
stand on it 100% there is a reason why I'm standing on it it is mheshimiwa Ali Mwenda uro umarire TV ne want in fact mbugi wero TV
but are they paying
taira mwananchi akarea tax
but are they paying
now if atone erire mwananchi
he
is the
so you see
of the people he can't come in the same
Caleb,
show au gaigembe
Caleb
with tax when he has
Caleb kwina allocation ireri onyo tukwariria
TV au gabara tax
Caleb
betegerie to the break
nenjera ibati rikore in fact itobere
betegerie to the break mheshimiwa betegerie to the break okay mheshimiwa betege kati yoke kanya ka tuete madukene ture mrando ya kibiashara itochokete nyuma ndeka inkai
Kambuni yetu ya Rhino Mabati igwithite maguri kugwithia kiri mabati jonthe. Kenero ofa yetu special ya factory kiri mabati jonthe ja tile profile, za Germania tile, Jamii tile, Espana tile, Jamii tile na Roman Jamil tile gauge 28 made. Ara maguri gwite kuma 720 mwanka 745 wa kilomita, gauge 30 made kuma 680 na ndene 625 for meter na gauge 30 glossy kuma 575 na ndene 499 ake. Okenda mbeshe cia kuciurire guru jatoye murangi turiongire na arua ukenere offers cietu nawe mumeru akiuga murojo na inchoni ukuruva mwato aja Rhino Mabati twithirwe tutugikuthondekera mabati kwa miaka nande na tutakuringa nthi. Turiongire industry yetu ya Rhino Mabati irere kithoka njire ya Meru gwita Ruire kana turingire thimu namba 0729 628199 kana 0740 229609 weka oda yaku. Ameru ndewerere mbere ng'ombe gekaragwa. Rhino Mabati, mabati jetu tukarie bietu. Rhino Mabati, do it best on top.
Maua Aviation Technical Training Institute irere antobocho maua ni kugwata ugeni arito bonde barabathiritie form 4 barabari na certificate cha KCPE na bangi bonde kuja kwamukira moritani jaraja kabatetherio turone aja ukathomera courses ja computer studies, mobile phone repair, online marketing, nail technology, barbering, weaving, massage technology, dreadlock technology, baking and pastry, welding, building and construction, plumbing, CCTV installation, videography, photography, housekeeping, motorcycle and motor vehicle mechanics na ingi kathumba. Nkurukikiri Aviation Department kuri na mathomo ja cabin crew kana air hostess na air travels operations. Maua Aviation Technical Training Institute iri guntugukiru na kuri na rira rithongi ria kumbithia arito kuthoma bwega na bisi yote ya kuinyiria mubuko waku ujukania ibwitite na mbere kugwata nteto nkuruki ringa thimu kurukira namba 0743 520 512 kana 0789 769 833. Maua Aviation Technical Training Institute, imparting technical skills for development.
We will be meeting you at the end.
Maganji Buddha.
You either do something or I will.
Setting the table.
I've made up my mind.
Emergency protocol initiated.
You're the best person who is suited to guide.
Yes.
I wish you good luck, Godspeed, and all the best. Oh, are you ready?
We're losing time.
Oh my.
If we don't get it, forget about it.
Uri na kiroto ya kugura ngari kana munda ukiria biashara yaku kana kinya kuongera utonga bwaku aja yetu sako itukumbithia jau jonthe na yetu sako asset finance loan aroka gwata mukobo mainde kumija shares ciaku kenera kagita gakarajaga kurea kamwanka miaka 5 na mareja manini yetu sako iri aja gukugwata mbaru ikinya gwekinya riongera rwangirwa yetu sako akwinagwe na uringe thimu gukurukira 0724 114 444 kana 0111 038 000. Yetu Sako Asset Finance Loan, empowering you to dream big and achieve more.
Bueno, ntuwe tena mbere kufuatana na watu kiri mbango ya siasa tukuborwari kamonki gawakana kidogo na tutakinya no kinyanda yake 90 anyway ukilukira mutambo yo Facebook kwina baraba kwari kwina oversight of justice arua we don't want only bursary but something beyond that. Derek Kayongi akawa again remind Caleb that executive implements not him as executive. Message ni ngete omba kudoma tionda no tupa time, but now let me come back to Mheshimiwa Caleb. Kile budget ya mwaka yu ya 2024 2025 wondi yekuwe na 36 million
or 23 million at the moment.
Kabo etreba factor budget yenu?
That's what I'm saying. What we are implementing at the moment, tutumbe kutadi ya area to get a supplementary budget. Tutumbe changes TJT. We have to align that budget with the supplementary budget.
So mheshimiwa ino kuleta 23 wana bakulukira 33 rero kikisheria.
Ilonda kuira atiri. According to Nyurambije na what we have at the moment. yes, allocation ya tunenkeri nankwire.
Which budget, Mheshimiwa?
No, let me just correct you. Nangi correct you at the same time. Uningo appreciate that there is a new development happening. Unto that, what only the MCAs, we got 10 million from the former government ya Kirito Mulungi. Dirikare Munya ejana 20 million. So if at all within municipality to negotiate beyond 20 million, I feel that there is a negotiation hiyo. Na gintukira kio kingi ndogo we changes nyingi cheje after the finance bill. And that way as an assembly, what we had factored in our budget. Na budget yetu tuikuruketinga mheshimiwa Mwendali agakwira alagendi kwa ria uma. We had a lot of challenges to media. To media with a lot of with a lot of stress. Na issues within the budget at the same time. So I appreciate what we have and what I'm implementing at the moment. As I'm waiting for the supplementary budget, we align maybe towards the 33 million car, lesser or more.
Okay. Mheshimiwa Deputy Speaker, kulingana na watho bora thai, budget ira bakulukirie near that 6 million per one, right? Ina Mheshimiwa Kalebo kuruta budget ya 23 million not a supplementary budget ira bwithu.
Thank you Bwana Martin. Dinera Kalebo enyo no ira kawira baria nyo Senate. Ibone tukingangana kawira. Kawira nwe osainere the appropriation bill ya law. Right? Na bila twakilogete wondi chetu chionde tukiwe program based budget. Ita at 6 million per ward. Na extra. Auni onkwendenya Meru na baba wata. Every sub county ituongelete mbia shukunyomo 15 million every sub county. Na I'm surprised Mheshimiwa Kalebo area na Meru yake era nto ma municipality bibi at 23 million. And that's why tukua alterations iriko bwithwa came budget ye ni legal. That is our stand as the 47 MCAs of Meru. Na sasa watu tuwere tukarwira Meru. No into the moment budget yete kilukwe ye enact a county ibati ilikuwa implemented to the latter, right? Now whether go in a changes ibati ilikuwa through supplementary budget munkaruari uti supplementary budget to you na ringi makosa yange Kalebo akwira Meru finance bill uti antu ya affect budget yetu ya Meru county na all counties at large. Na kintu kita tu with the own source revenue kintu kita projections. Mheshimiwa Kalebo kwenda kintu kita wakara. Meru itaongelwa 51 million na inya tutami factor take budget iriko. So kuona neto inanyambia in excess ira to allocate it. And that's what kuona kawira na antu bake. Inya mtu kumeamantua finance na wita Senate. Akauru kawira, did you sign this appropriation bill? Akawa hari na na sign it. Akauru mbia assembly ne kire mbia she kuandikana kawira akawari. Munka senators bongwa ibari surprised. No ibiroba wire. Ba mwire team weku no ntu team weke is programmed. The way Kalebo is programmed. Iberu in Senate ibaba ko mislead Kawira Mwangaza. Na Kawira Mwangaza arari ntakene thai. Ikwa misled na kwenda kwa dhantu no authority dictatorial kwa diko jumbo mo question. That is a problem we have. So ukire Meru every ward it at 6 million. No stay supplementary budget here. So antu Meru bonde wondi shonde shokire shambiri wait that 6 million. Like wende njia until you less than 36 million. And that is my stand.
Right. Mheshimiwa Kalebo now tukire kana mato ya budget kidogo. Although tika tukoma kio when we terekiri the other assigned ya 22 MCAs na bote kanire burenda ukariembeta chemo Meru. But now Mheshimiwa, how do you feel sibitari irere wondi ne ku ya level 5 itina ritingwe bakwana maybe itina other facilities chumbo tetheria na we wikiti mwe governor, are you satisfied kema ndore yonde okuona agendelea Meru?
Ngocho kile in a very simple way.
Okay.
And you will just appreciate it that way. That Meru County itea come into existence kagita Kawira Mwangaza. Na general level 5 itira kwa kagita Kawira Mwangaza. In fact, all these facilities have been there, and we will just appreciate that the spirit of devolution imwana we nanandi tam idato tuina tam emunya which took 5 years.
Yeah.
Tuna term Mheshimiwa Kirito Morongi, which took 5 years. And if at all the 2 terms, Irechi Atekita 10 years, has not yet been able to solve the problem 100% iratu inyo ya unemployment, ya issues cha nyamwira, it is not rocket science. Nanti kujitiaja unin bijite and that mind nkenda Mheshimiwa Mwendali amita mutojo wawe. Aita mind yawe that Caleb akujitiaja a executive. Kandia an extension of the executive. I'm not an extension.
But you're defending it.
And I'm not defending the executive. It is very important that we have a devolution to defend, and it will take time before devolution.
So bitegere Mheshimiwa Nkuringe uri mbere Mheshimiwa Ali atrayukia. So when because thirikari maybe emunya itakinyira antu fulani ikiritu itakinyira antu fulani. So kinyere otha ite ba tio correct makosa rayo uwo thuri we mutongeria wambi.
Ndikoka watoranda kwira it is a process that maybe the government is there to achieve the desired goals sirikwa ni achieve. Na ankwire gintu kingi MTEMBEI that the issue with health, it is a big problem, not just in Meru County. Only on the Bijatu Kariri issue health buga, if it would be possible, we devolve this function either fully to the county government, kana ejoku national government, either under the national government. Nonto kwe issues ni kama watu mbiko atokiara iria na to politicize health mwananchi. They have to face the real issues that go affect mwananchi directly. So I would like to say that issue of health, it is an issue that can itabatikwa politicized. Adako ina shortage ya nurses, no to jawa kumije kuna shortage ya nurses. But tigo kwake it is within the entire county.
Okay. Now Mheshimiwa Ali now bwathuriro ne Meru, right? Buri mbunge kaitene ka na kuna thirikari rero in place. Bwathurire kuya kuona maybe mathina ya Meru stino ya obainya nkingo kana what was your purpose kuya kitu tongere bo Meru?
Kiurekera kabile baba etirisho na kwenda na ba Meru bandiko kana ati kwenda. It is that simple. So kabira ati kwenda na bandiko. Likewise Kaliba ati kwenda na bandiko. But makosa yarantu baba kawira na kawira ati kwelewa. There's a budget in place ekuritangwe riko. Bia irio cha kuandika na ba Meru. Bia irio she could promote the nurses, kenda ba motivated and other medical personnel. So it is so painful. Mheshimiwa elected, uro batiri kwa akin defend aritingwe ba Meru, na hantu ba Meru, nwa wiyete okari executive, itikati ngwire batiri kurita. It is so painful. Na kale bringi to mo correct, nontu kale bari ya tina information. County Public Service Board, bila kwenda kubwidi kintu kitu replacement. Replacement means what? This Caleb. Like when I removed Dardango can get a level 4 hospital. I resigned. Daumango ine. Monkaru are can get it on a replacement. It was in a Mheshimiwa Idile. Hare and mean resigned. Mheshimiwa Muredi. Na resigned. Sawa. Na so many other within that assembly, like almost 8 MCAs, Baba resigned Kumaki County government. Apart from that, Caleb, reality. Nurses, Barabetu Bapeti de overseas. Bangimuno. So many of them. Na ibaraba kuuma nguene baita. Na bila mbondi kwenda kubwithia. Kwe antu bakuire ba nguene. Kintu kira mbondi kwenda kubwithia. Na no wire baua. Baua kwenda twanya bakwenda kubwithia replacement. Almost 630. Right? Na twanya do bakwenda ku replace tai baje jira no ne ku replace 550. Kuona ni still kwena. Na makosa yarato kwenda correct Caleb. Munya no ambiriri devolution in Meru. We respect him for what he did. Kereitu aendelea. And that doesn't mean on 20 munya na arikuo, kereitu na arikuo, kawira endelea kubwithia makosa. You are here to correct the mess whether kwiryo. You are here kuandikana ba Meru. Thirikari ya Meru ni kuandikana. Ukego te kwenda ba andiko ri ibai tukuthomethia. Ibai na sis tukuri ana betete kubwithia nasi. Ibai ana bagwita kubwithia courses ya ICD. Ibai tukwenda universities. Ukego thirikari ya Meru, county government of Meru. It will create employment opportunities create na Meru. That's why tukua kamero gelo ate komba ngoi na ibatu tuone to MCAs ate komba and that's why we impeached na nyaka leb na to the last year to impeach sawa no ra kinyere samwe aringa kona ana ba Meru ibandikwe mbire okwana Caleb ote supplementary budget Brarete ndi no to executive, or you are not oversighting anymore. You are on the defensive side, the executive. Ana ba Meru iba andikwe. Ana ba Meru iba promoted. Ibu tukua no ndu to egere mbia ki budget. Akawera asaina. That time are governor.
Okay.
That is simple.
Let me just correct one thing. Yes. Natangu correct for any reason. And if we are mandari uga oni internet information. For example, kombori ni kikwera shortage ki sibitali kwa level 5 general. Na tutiko adilite manto ja public service bond ka any replacements cha ile to adilite as an assembly. So if at all nagwa MTEMBEI assembly witaloyo ewitangugeyo na thatu to gukurukia budget to kuga nto iba andikwe ora mwenda ali akuga na tugweta twakurukia sheria. It is the duty of the executive to employ. And when we talk about executive, public service bond is part of the executive. Nyadira independent under the public service. So only bedo ande mto stupend mono nkejage TV eje na agwa. Bedo ankiala area manto je employment na replacement nenda akurukiria assembly. Memo ndari na akurukiria assembly. Mturo bati kwedro akirira o mwandari akurira babies mturo te assembly. Kukeja kudo kuino makosa jari jaraja dive tue in terms of kutidingatiro sheria ya assembly edidirie. Kintu kire mwandari abatu didia. Na no speaker wetu deputy speaker na iturare recess almost 3 months ka 2 months. Alabati wetia a special sitting to get to deliberate on that one in the assembly. Kujage TV twedo atwirira ka kuri emotions TV ne ora mwananchi akuriro te andiki mego mwananchi ora we ukwenda obatara replacement ile au mwendari ari. So mwendari atumbi kuja kiwero TV ikala ne kuthithia replacement. Nunto anto akuna function sijere. Queen executive ile itongere twikawera mwangaza na queen assembly ile mwendari akalindi na unikalindi. So if at all we are genuine leaders neito kwenda ndo bara baandikwa tubati kuma street ine nunto datu tubati ko datu streets like any other mwananchi.
So wono mure street na nona ana kawira mwangaza uramwira maybe bo bote ko bwa no hapana mheshimiwa no I'm asking mheshimiwa ndaka kwa emotional please betikeria nkorio ngokoria mheshimiwa kindly. So ndiroria uwibona nana kawira mwangaza in governor Meru right na bukaraniria uramwira maybe bo bote ko bwa yes
hata leo nimeongea na kawira mwangaza and there is nothing wrong with me talking with kawira mwangaza.
No,
because one kawira mwangaza kalingiro kura Meru na alingiro kura more than any other abachindene abiri atangasirwe governor. Kura mwendali alingiro kura njia want na ndalingiro kura municipality.
True.
By that virtue alone it makes us legitimate leaders at this particular time and at this particular season. Ko unithaira kwaria kawira mwangaza ndi ari awe governor Meru.
True.
Na undi represented and bandi represented na ndi ari issues sira kwaria municipality ndi kwaria issues tia assembly umwira kwina shortage ya mandaktari municipality. That one I always make sure that I make the executive know na not even through kawira mwangaza. In fact I communicate it to the chief officers are there no health na CCO health because biwi doketira bena cyo gwitira ngugeu ko oni na arua urankwenda ugo gwatana ni undo ugana I want to sway away from that one. I will hold on it my hand up that me and my brother my speaker we have a duty to represent the interest of the people at the floor of the house. Nunto ni otuna antora to ka make sheria na la to ga follow what has not happened what we passed. Nunto kuna two functions kwina executive na kwina legislature na de atrago keja kwithura legislature kuraga executive uragi kuthithia ora executive uragi kuthithia legislature kuga we can't cry ourselves, we have a way to correct that mistake.
Let me correct Caleb. Yes. It is good to correct Caleb. I respect him. Nwe host MC twe mutindwa bwana Caleb tirionde tuita special sittings right na ngakwethwa kwina need eka rise currently listen the is going to listen.
Okay.
Board ni advertising ngui mumero ibon kwenda amenya right board babu ile advertisement kawera na umebwake kana washi ume eta council through the county secretary right at an extra mile andikira committee ya Senate. Bahatu Senate yetu andikira barua as an Assembly of Meru to respond to those concerns. That is part about with what we don't have to come Assembly Meru to area kawira ya kuritangwe na tuitire monkaku Senate. I went there to represent the Assembly. Natwaya na version of the story. Natwaria. Natwa batu itu akilukirie budget. In fact, nindi nyingi anababa kitoginya anabandiko na tutengambia executive department ya health ya wane kwenda kuandika ritingwe. Department ya water ya wane kwenda engineers. Department ya agriculture ya wane kwenda veterinary officers, right? Department ya education ya wane kwenda arimo ba ECD. Batu tokoloma. Bondi niyo eturetera the need erereo to allocate bia cia kuandika hana na munkatha iri kuo na twaya na version. Good thing mdoro saindire that appropriation bill ikawira mwangaza, so money is there. So committee erereo karande we argued na twabera that's our stand na wengi nyaito karande twabera batu idora ngwe kurita. It's a dispute between the executive and the county public service board, which are independent bodies, the two of them, right? Iba kolome beye na mikakati batu itu egere mbia na wetu kwenda kuibwa ni ana baandiki, right? Na tuwele Caleb ana bakaandikwa whether Caleb nakwenda whether kawira nakwenda ana bakaandikwa. So hold on to kungaidi ara tomba koyera batu. I'm guiding you, no, you are wrong.
No, you're not.
You're out of order, Caleb. The moment to go
Caleb, you're out of order.
Time nyani idire yani kwa nebo kwenda.
I can't agree on you.
We're to battle with a special sitting. Why should we call a special sitting? Well, last this dispute in another legislative body. Na iba make a resolution sure. So if it fails, to summon the CEC concern, na the chief officer, no accounting officers, but respective department, we impeach them. Whether batumba kutanguira to getarico, no to budget is in place, no taken to Twinagio, or taken to a supplementary budget. So money is there, needing very battery with that, and that is reality.
Okay. Again, the truth can't be away from the facts. At the rate, Otu no correct, and he is not educating me on that one, not at any level. No to render uga if the executive no longer could among itself. That was an assembly. That correct. That mess through sitting and looking at what car committee at the assembly, ega karandika tegera ya help. Urato ugetere ikodiza na kikote udiro. So the idea onu kejombera ini koraganto baandikwa Meru County. Then it is out of even Ishima irato na nundonu tino kumbanya.
But you're supporting that.
Me, I'm nowhere within the
Caleb.
I'm not supporting nothing. I'm saying the executive and the public service board is the same thing. Nadira kuremu kugwatanira. It is us the assembly. Nironda kuira mheshimiwa Mwendani.
Wele kamera era wera Meru no kwenda na bandikwa from your heart.
From my heart oni nyande na mutonosia kwenda andikwa.
Bere ulolete that camera.
Ndi na mutonosia kwenda na mala kwenda. That's what I want. But now let me tell you, I'm just telling you. What you're doing yourself, it is the long thing.
No, but we are fighting for the people.
You can't
I'm doing my oversight work.
No, you see.
Now when you went to bed, you went to bed with the executive. So you know it's defended. What they recommend the executive. So what are more than well?
No. Kindly to yaneni heshima. Kindly. No, to yaneni heshima.
Very foolishly. There is something I'm saying. Kakura foolishly, whereby a power and deputy speaker Meru ombi go correct this one in a sitting.
So Caleb,
out of emotions.
Caleb,
that
one
is not
Mheshimiwa, our time is up. Na time wetu here hapo kwa
I'm fighting foolishly.
Yes.
Ndimure is fighting out of greed.
It's more like the same.
The moment you enter, we a bribe kiondone.
It's more like this.
You never reason.
I need to be very greedy for the people of municipality.
No, you're not greedy. You're greedy for yourself.
Why would I go?
But Caleb, respect and municipality.
So
that day wetere oringwa biro oringirwe akiri kuguma uya ere district.
No, Mheshimiwa Ligwa tureke Mheshimiwa Ali na Mheshimiwa Caleb. Ngonda tureke mbango hiyo. No, Mheshimiwa Caleb in 1 minute please tariki 14 iria ichietherete ya Meru, right? Now dwene escalate ni umire assembly ya Republic Service Bond. Now it's as if dwang chonde cha Meru ni korwa. We are waiting tariki 14 cha mweri wethatu. In between na mweri wethatu na maybe after mweri wethatu, if whatever happens, ni hata Meru yakara.
No kwari Caleb gaioi. Caleb nari. So I respond.
Yes. So what happens?
14 is not very far. But to get Meru. 14 is just 34 days to go. Natura ntuba Meru tuina imani. Batu impeached Kawira. Na tutikira kuwa. She's not even our governor. And that's why we don't have time to sit with her. She's impeached. And that is that. And that is main our stand. Nontuitwa impeached. Bona ni itwa kilukiria vote of no confidence to 47 MCs of the County Assembly of Meru. Na Kawira Mwangaza. That remains our stand. And we hope Senate eko uphold the courts. Bakethira betheria Gachagua nane heshima. Bakethira betheria deputy governor wa Kisii ahenda nyumbani kwa heshima. Nondu mtu akare mwingwe atemea kuthirongwe. Kumaruare the next 35 days. But to the 47 MCAs, number 1 to mashinani. Ku ensure bila tu akilukiria like brother akilukiria njia ward. Nondu take into a supplementary budget donor. The 36 million era akilukiria njia ward ne kutangwe. Nondu I represent the people of Jia ward. Sawa sawa. Na MCs bangi bara batetere wonka. Bara bakwenda kamera ntubo. Batu tuketherwa turiagu tukiritangwe yetu. Number 1 oversight. Like we ndenda kwa ensure barabara ine ndekire 14 de kubwibu. Ndenda ithatoni. That is simple. Ruirwa ndekire kamo yairo kubwibu. Barabara ine ndekire ekai ndi kubwibu. Polytechnic ine ndekire mutini ndi kubwibu. Maternity edumbereria ndi kubwibu. Itabira ndekire nture ne mwanya ibi kubwibu. Iturambiririo summon these people. Baba executive. In fact, I'm very happy na committee implementation itongeretu Mheshimiwa Urili Murangiri. Nontu committee yu niwe kwa ensure kwa na implementation to the latter ya budget yetu akilukiria. Na all department, the chief officers, the CECs, Bakaya Assembly. In fact, tushogeta assembly on Tuesday.
Niko ndaturukia Mheshimiwa.
Bakaya yoshoga shuri bire kupi. Kenda tumba kuendea Meru mbere. Tutigira Meru iriwa.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you,
Na
Mheshimiwa.
supplementary budget tutamiona na tutirendo megilogia munkala iriku. Na budget ni were 2024 2025. Eri program based na tutetikiria ya outant. Kiandro wetake kuonde twaitara tubatiri weta.
Thank you. Mheshimiwa kale turiki tafadhali.
After 14th, Meru continues to be Meru, and my biggest prayer that after 14 people realize the reason why by responsibility according. Na one of the biggest responsibility kwena iratoga kwena oversight kwena legislation, but the biggest around bonanyo inene nkurukingi chonde in the presentation it's a core. So when I'm representing, I don't need to represent far away from what is being done. Onto Mutoro Ontario municipality, that's what you want from my representation nama as the leader. Kintokia bire inkwandikuira Meru. Ito tikikuganwa miankano to what you've seen today happening is that maybe there's a region ikugwa yeso entitled na ikaedia denjo ninge itebati kwethwa gukarino tunaro gukaja kwethwa Kawira Mwangaza tebati gwete igembe. We do feel that also as imenti antu no bo mareba kugana bo nyabo ngo ibende takawira no ntuti mtuti utekwao no ntukawira ndo era kurwayo itebati kuthithwa ithwa ya region no ntukaira gwikia ambassador no thimenti kagi kiaburi tutikuona akiurwa inde ikia igembe.
This is the most divisive leader we have in Meru County. One of the most divisive.
Are you inciting people against the other?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what
that is very wrong.
No, you won't worry.
Me, I'm not setting anyone.
No, this man utem mtunge very divisive na kwire umereja TV ne enda kureta miambwe ya Nkuringe.
That's the truth.
He's a band leader.
No, you are yourself.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa. Thank you very much.
He's a warlock.
Kuona kanyagu ya kirimo bango yo. Thank you very much kire bora bonde ba kare kirimo bango ya siasa. Wala tu wa kirimo bango yo. It has been done and dusted. Thank you very much.
Na leo tuko cosmopolitan, that tukinyangana ina